He almost fell.
Mom? I know, the baby birds are flying. They're trying to fly. They're practicing. I wish you were here. Okay. Yeah. Okay, bye. A little harder.
Yeah. I think he ran into something.
Oh, he's on the screen.
Where?
Right here. Oh no, he's stuck. Stop. You're scaring him.
Oh, he'll be okay. He's okay.
Yeah, I think so. Birdie.
I think it's one. Oh, yeah, there he goes.
Oh, hi, little baby bird.
But it's hard for him to fly, I think.
Well, he's a baby.
I know, but they need to know how they need to fly right now, like the other one did.
He can do it. There he goes. Good job, dude.
Nice.